In this video, I will show you how to convert your Excel data into picture using the shortcut. So, like this. Firstly, guys, you have to select your data which you want to convert into picture. So, select first cell, then Control A. Now Control C to copy this data. Now press and hold Alt, then H, V, and U. So this way you can convert your data into picture like this. And you can apply all settings what you need. You can save it once you right click on and save picture. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.